What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I'd like to take first and foremost to wish every one of you guys a happy new year. It's 2022, man. I like to call it a double blessing year, double everything. So I'll try my best this year to put out more content. My target is to put out 100 contents of YouTube and more, or just financial freedom. And I'm also working on launching my Jumia seller center. So that's some good news, as well as I'll be showing you guys some crypto plays I've been doing. So in today's video, I want to show you guys I want to try TikTok ads. So I've been working on Shopify. Yeah, I've been working on a Shopify website. It's basically a brand. As I told you guys, the way to go with e-commerce and Shopify brands is through creating brands, not necessarily general stores. By brand, what do I mean is you find one product and focus on it. And mine is Superior Massage Gun. This is the brand. As you can see, the catchphrase is the comfort and relief you've been looking for with the game-changing deep tissue massage gun. I want you guys to give it on a scale of 1 to 5 how good you think this thing is enticing. Will you buy it? So basically, this is the front page. As you can see, how they look, the different variations, the massage gun, the price, the unique features. My page is ready. Call to action, some reviews here, some nice animation, and it's also mobile responsive. Like I also made mobile responsive, and I'm going to use a TikTok ads to market it 24 hours. So I'm going to do a 24 hours TikTok challenge. How I'm going to do this? I'm going to use VPN because TikTok is not accessible it's not available in in Kenya or anywhere in Africa. Basically, it's more in the UK and the US is where TikTok ads is available. So I'm going to use my VPN. This one is called Tunnel Bear. I really like Tunnel Bear, as most of the VPN providers don't really have African countries. Most of them have only South Africa, but this one actually has Kenya, which is so cool, and Nigeria. Yeah, so yeah, that's why I love it. So let's get into it. So I'll just go ahead. I already have a TikTok ads account, and the TikTok ads account I have is my own. I've actually done a TikTok challenge before. Last year I spent like $40. I'm also going to try spending $40 for this same one and see the results in 24 hours. So basically, this is my the store. Let's see if you press shop now, what pops up. This is the front page, the store front page, and now we're going to the product page. Yeah, as you can see, I have contact me, track your order is available, free worldwide shipping this week only. So yeah, I have 99 reviews. I got legit reviews. It's very important for you to put legit reviews on your website. Original price is 150, but you get it at 97 with the free shipping this week only. And these are the different variations with the plugs for each country. If you scroll down, you can see yeah, it emphasizes here, like on the price, you can see superior massage gun, high quality material made from durable, long lasting, eco-friendly plastic, game changer. Okay, so as you go down, you can see you get a 14-day money back guarantee, flash sale at 36% off. With a nice small video here that I added. Let's play the video and have a look at it. It's also very much mobile responsive. The other video lot. Let's go. Yeah, more of this. Just letting you know why you should buy this. Technical warranty. What's in the box? I'm supposed to load a picture here. What's in the box? Shipping info, like all this, and then the reviews are available. Obviously, like plenty of reviews. And yeah, if you track order, for example, if you track order, when you place an order, you should go to track order. See that everything is responsive from the start to finish. Let's say I want to take the silver one with the US plug. Yes, the silver with the US plug is available. Let's just say buy now. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Yes, let's buy it now. Check out. Let's go. So yeah, guys, it's very important for you guys to be able to have everything in order. Like you try the checkout to make sure. Let's just random one here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using a new VPN, so I'm going to get a New Jersey random address, so that I can use it for checkouts. King, the address is, let's see. Okay, let's use this one. New York City. Yeah, New Jersey is in New York, guys. I believe this is the zip code. Let's hope so. Okay, continue to ship. Let's hope it works, man. Because yes, a girl from New Jersey once broke my heart, and but yeah, we move. Also, yeah, there's free shipping and expedited shipping. So I want them to use the free shipping method. Mm, let's see. Let's see. So, yeah, you see, guys, everything is responsive. Or you can do PayPal, or you can use a credit card and PesaPal, because I use PesaPal, which is the Kenyan system, and it's for guys who can also use it. You don't use PayPal. Yes, so yeah, it's responsive and it's working. Everything is in order. So now let's go ahead and set the ads running for the 24 hours. Run a campaign before. So all I have to do is add some money into my ad spends, because I don't have enough. But for now, let me go ahead and connect my TikTok. Uh, okay, ad balance. Okay, ad balance. Yes, I'm gonna spend $38 and see if I can get any conversions on this ad. Yes. Okay, much better. So $38 is equivalent to 4,800, almost 4,900 connections. Like, that's insane. I just think the Kenyan shilling has gotten weaker, but yeah, our money should be coming in a bit. Payment successful. Yeah, I finally charged my TikTok ads manager with some money. I'm getting some money. So yeah, now you can see I have $38 in my ads account. So let me go ahead and create a new campaign. Let's see. One click TikTok pixel. So yeah, guys, this is actually the easy process. Like right now, TikTok is the best way to like do marketing with your e-commerce stores or anything. TikTok is like the opportunity of a lifetime. Check out my boy Abdi. He was able to grow his TikTok channel organically and reach Churchill show. Okay, that one is dead, so I'm gonna switch it off. I need to set up a new pixel. Yeah, shit. Okay, it's the first one is female. Oh, and okay, daily budgets. Let me put it $20. Right, to start. Today is Thursday. Okay, Thursday at 6 a.m. Let me start at 6 a.m. Let me start at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. 06. 6 a.m. I want to start at 6 a.m. Yes, stick to those. Okay. I think I should just leave it. That's all. Next. Oh. Yep. I don't care. Let's go next. Okay. So me upload my first video. So my first video is maybe I hope these guys are not copyrighted. I hope she hasn't copyrighted our content. Yes. I want to appeal to people that work out, that do yoga, because this video is that what she's showing. So yes, as you can see, my YouTube search is about metaverse, UFC, more metaverse, football, and Afrobeat music. That's what I've been up to lately. But you move on. Let's see. Yeah, I hope it. That was faster, just so that. Come on. Comfort and relief. I think this is better. Okay, I'm changing it to show search again 30% off today. Okay, I think that can work. And this is the URL. Copy this. Okay. What is wrong, bro?
No, I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed.
TikTok ad strategy. So before this video starts, if you guys could please drop a like, subscribe, and start thinking of some comments you will want to ask down below. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so basically I've been running TikTok ads for a while. It's something huge, but it's been so hard to master because either accounts would get suspended, ads would get rejected, performance would fall off, it wouldn't spend this, that, this. You went to high budget and all of a sudden everything just didn't work. You weren't making money the same way you were at low scale. Well here guys today, this is going to be the most gray hat TikTok ad video you see. This is really talking about how TikTok works and different little things you can do to get around the algorithm. You will most likely hear things in this video that other YouTubers will probably tell you the exact opposite of, or they're using like copy pasta information. This is the things that you're going to find out when you're actually spending this type of money on a daily basis and understanding how this program works and how you can work along with it. So without further ado guys, I'm going to be showing you, taking you into the ad account, showing you guys the sales for today, the breakdown, what I spent, and exactly the return on ad spend here that we're. And guys, stay tuned. The next video I'm going to be showing you this pretty much times 10 on 10 different